Mr. Jason Dixon to have the team ready for play, please. Thank you. So, ladies and gentlemen, the USPA PDKF Ladies Polo Top 2026 exhibition. A distinguished testament, as I mentioned, to that evolution is the Princess Diya Kumari Foundation, ladies and gentlemen. In the words of Her Highness, our goal is to help communities lead meaningful, healthier, happier and more productive lives. Today's Ladies Polo exhibition reflects that very spirit, excellence guided by purpose, competition carried with dignity, and sport serving as a platform for empowerment and progress. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for this smart military band. This is military band, ladies and gentlemen, जो तूफानों में पले जा रहे हैं, वही दुनिया बदले जा रहे हैं. This is the band of the Indian Army, ladies and gentlemen. We start by the introduction of the two teams, ladies and gentlemen. May I request an applause for PDKF USPA Green, commanding and decisive in open play, decisive when space appears. Kumari Vijayashree Shakprawat, please put your hands together, fondly known as Diamond. Resolute in the ride-offs, composed under challenge, Dr. Shivangi Jai Singh. The strategist of the side, anticipating the game before it unfolds, Miss Millie Seth. Please put your hands together for Millie Seth, experienced anchor in calm judgment and assured leadership. Very long back but freshly imported Lance Watson, standing in their way this afternoon, equally determined and competent, challenging them for the victory, ladies and gentlemen. Playing for PDKF, USPA Pink, electrifying off the mark, turning opportunity into immediate pressure, Miss Sanjula Maan. Commanding in tight exchanges, unwavering when space narrows, Miss Urvi Singh, beg your pardon, Miss Urvi Singh. Zorda taaliyon bajao aap, jana thoda aanand aave. Vision led and tactically assured, directing play with intelligence, Kumari Lavanya Shekhawat. And playing for the same team, unshaken in critical moments, delivering clarity when it counts most, His Highness Maharaja Savai Padmanabh Singh Ji of Jaipur. Officiating umpires, ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Jason Dixon, and the referee Rao Sahab Himmat Singh Bedla with me. The ball's in play. Who has it? Who do we have there? Dr. Shivangi with the ball now. Dr. Shivangi breaks free. He leaves it behind. It's going to be Lavanya. Lavanya. Put your hands together. Let's encourage them, ladies and gentlemen. Jason Dixon quickly, sharply watching them. Takes on the near side. Sanjula takes it on the near side. She's going to begin a race. Sanjula breaks free. Sanjula taps it, leaves it behind. Who do we have there? Diamond there. And we didn't hear a whistle. It's got Shivangi, the grey helmet, Shivangi playing for USPA Green. In the danger zone, put your hands together. She leaves it behind. Who do we have there? Diamond comes in, she leaves it behind. Sanjula with the ball now, and Diamond comes in, checks the pony. Swings it, the ball's rolling, this is a teaser. This is a teaser, does it go? Oh! Today the ball is flirting with that goal line. Jaipur takes the ball, he's going to begin the play now. Gets a good hammering to the ball, comes to the 5B point. Who do we have there? Dr. Shivangi comes in, looks over her shoulder. Sanjula watching her there. Dr. Shivangi hits a backhander. His Highness Maharaja Jaipur hammers it, passes it on. Lance is watching closely. Dr. Shivangi checks the pony, looks behind, picks the ball up. She's going to go around the houses. Is he going to? She's going to hit a backhander. No, she taps it. There's Sanjula hot on the. Sanjula is troubling her there, giving her a tough time. Sanjula breaks free, goes down the arches, but she leaves it behind. Comes in Lance Watson. Lance Watson waits, watches, waits. Look at the game there. Look at the game. People move forward. The attacker, Diamond comes in, leans forward, swings her stick, takes the ball under the neck, gives it to her team member, but she bats it. The horse helps her. Comes in Sanjula. Is he going to turn it around? Yes, she turns it, nurses as well, taps it, releases it, but keeps it with herself. Ooh, that was a swing. She leaves it behind. Comes in Millie with the ball and a lovely looking grey pony. Millie taps it. There's one alien there, the drone watching the match very closely. If it was 50 years back, we would have said it's a UFO. I tell you, yeah, UFO. And that's Diamond there. Hammers it. The ball misbehaves. Goes behind the horse. Millie, who we have there? Millie comes in. Millie checks the pony. Sanjula under there. But Millie gets the better of Sanjula. Millie with the ball now. Sanjula comes in again. She crosses it, but she is safe there. Sanjula turns it around. She dribbles very well. Sanjula, put your hands together for Sanjula. Hammers it. She's going to begin the race. She is not really marked, but comes in. Diamond watches. Look at Diamond's game. She's going to take her out, or she has to let the line go. She lets the line go. Sanjula straightens that one. Diamond closely watching, hot on her heels. Sanjula lets Diamond go past. Sanjula is on the offside, near side now. Diamond, this is a race in the danger zone. The swinger comes in. The ball dribbles, puts it. Kero chhati kudo in ball ro. Lance Watson. Lance passes it on. Somebody's got to check that one. Lance, Diamond comes onto the line, but it's going to be Millie and Sanjula. Sanjula, ooh, and the whistle. And the whistle. The early foundation of women's polo is in the US, dates back a couple of decades. The ball is in play. Who do we have there? It's going to be, ooh, that's a backhander. Sanjula is going to break free. Sanjula is totally unmarked. You can put your hands together. She's playing with that ball well, gets it, she checks her pony, comes in Diamond, swings her stick. And the ball's anybody's. 2 grey ponies, 3 grey ponies there. Grey ponies were never taken to the battle because they would be seen by the enemy. This is Dr. Shivangi there. Shivangi with the ball, taps it nice and easy. Shivangi taps it, leaves it behind. Look at that man marking. Sanjula playing at number 2, and I believe Diamond playing at number 2, marking each other. And by the way, when I say man-to-man marking, man is a short form of human. So when I say man, it's women included, humans. And it's Dr. Shivangi playing at number 3 in green jersey. She leaves it behind, comes in Lance Watson, waits in the backhander, comes by Vijayashree, Diamond, Lance. The ball has different ideas today. This is Dr. Shivangi with the ball, slowly and steadily approaching the danger zone. She's in the danger of a little flick, and this could be easy. She leaves it behind, and Sanjula waits for it to go through the goalpost. That's not a goal, ladies and gentlemen. Bhaiyo, aap jeevan side mein hardly baja rahe ho.
Ball in play, it is Sanjula Man. Sanjula on the near side, Millie on a back. Diamond back to Diamond. Millie picking up the ball. Millie, good job there. Remarked by Urvi Singh. Urvi watching on her very carefully. Sanjula. Shivangi Jai Singh. Shivangi making a good run. Urvi marking her. Sanjula Man on the ball, defending for the Pinks. And another long crack by the Greens, and it's goal number 2. Stadium. And let's have a round of applause. The Greens got that second goal. Ball in play once again. Jason Dixon goes in ball. Sanjula Man. Diamond defending. Sanjula. Urvi. Sanjula Man. Urvi on the near side. First it was sounded, 30 seconds to go. Lavanya. Sanjula trying to pick the ball in the first chakra. 2-0 Sanjula. Shivangi and umpire's whistle at the end of the first chakra. 2-0.
For the ladies, USPA Princess. I love you all to this side especially. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. I'll repeat yesterday's lines. मशहूर होने का शौक किसे है जनाब? हमें तो हमारे अपने ही पहचान ले तो हम खुश हो जाते हैं. Thank you very much. If you all feel that you are my very own and I am yours, please put your hands together for the lovely chakra number 2 about to begin. Sanjula leans out, picks it up. Please put your hands together. She's going to hammer an extra. Gets it straight on Millie, hot on her heels. Millie is watching her. Look, Diamond comes in on a great pony. She passes it on. Diamond's going to get trouble for her, but she watches. Sanjula with the ball. Sanjula passes it on. Sanjula plays intelligent. Six are up. Is Diamond going to cross the line? No, Diamond safe. She leaves it. Oh, there she straightens that one. Diamond's going to take it or she'll let the ball misbehave. She allows the ball to misbehave. The ball rolls out of play. And if you clap louder, खाली वजन से नहीं तोला जाता है, उनके शब्दों से भी तोला जाता है. और जिंदगी क्या है? एक शतरंज नहीं है, फिर भी चालें चलती है. And the ball's been left there, comes in. Diamond swings a stick. Diamond, oh, everybody, a little bit of a traffic jam. And Sanjula going to break free. Sanjula, Dr. Shivangi tries to take position, but she goes to the other side. Sanjula goes around the houses. Sanjula with the ball now. Sanjula nice and easy. Millie's going to trouble her. Millie's troubling her. They're going to fight for that one. Sanjula with the ball now. And quite a tussle going on there. Sanjula breaks free, leans out. She looks at the goal. She means business. This could be dangerous for the other team. She dodges everybody, but Diamond is closely watching her on that grey pony. Diamond is not going to make that mistake. She hooks her. The ball's anybody's. Lance Watson makes no mistakes. Saves the day. You can clap for Lance as well. Yes. When I say man, it also means a man. And there he passes it on, but Sanjula plays wise, picks that ball up. Diamond watches her closely. This is marking player to player. Sanjula breaks free. Oh, she almost took Jason's head off with that shot. Jason's lucky. Good luck to you. The ball tries to behave there and doesn't hit Jason. The ball's anybody's. Lance comes in. Lance tries to break that free. Lance comes in. Lance means business. He's looking dangerous. Lance looks right for his players. He waits, he looks at Diamond. Diamond's going to move forward. And this is Dr. Shivangi. Ooh, the ball balloons up. Denies cooperation, a diplomatic disagreement between the ball and the player, but Sanjula has a special tie with this ball. Sanjula, she's been troubled there. She's been troubled by Dr. Shivangi, but Sanjula is becoming the Dhyan Chand of polo, takes it on the near side. Sanjula sticks her up. Millie does her job. Diamond comes in. Little bit of a confusion for me who's who, but I clearly see the ball and the players fighting for that one. On the grey pony is Diamond. You can clap and keep up with me, ladies and gentlemen. Come on. This is a sport to be watched with a smile, just like a battle is to be fought with a smile. The ball's anybody's. This is going to be Shivangi with the ball now. Shivangi starts her charge. Shivangi hammers it. The ball straight into the danger zone. Shivangi backs it up with a gallop there. She's got to straighten that one up. The ball tries to cooperate. Oh, last minute ditch. And rolls out of play. हमें मजा आया नहीं? Forward passes it. The visionary Maharaja helping his team, swings it straight again. Ooh, he gets Diamond's horse. Diamond's horse is cooperating, doing full justice to the competition. Millie tries to catch up. Here, His Highness Bhatta Jaipur passes it on. Who has the ball? It's going to be Lance Watson. Lance waits and watches. Urvi picks it up. Urvi leaves it behind her back. Henda, look at that clash of the sticks. Dr. Shivangi and Diamond now supporting each other. Diamond, she leaves it behind. Shivangi makes no mistake. She backs it forward. Sanjula, put your hands together, ladies and gentlemen, for the lovely game right in front of us. Takes it to the left side. Shivangi leaves it behind. Sanjula tries to take that one. The ball has absolutely decided to rebel. Doesn't cooperate. And Sanjula has a pact with this ball. Takes it away. This is going to be a race. You might as well put your hands together. This fight has a potential of going through the goalpost. She straightens that one. The ball's dribbling. One near side next shot or straightening has to come in. The ball misbehaves. Stubborn mule-headed ball is left in. Lance comes in straight from South Africa. Doesn't get delayed in that flight. Comes in right time to save the day for his team. The ball again tries to be mule-headed. And it's Lance. It's Lance. He's going to dribble it. Lance. Interesting, when Lance plays in anger, he smiles. Today he's not smiling. He's playing happily. And the ball, who do we have there? This is Dr. Shivangi, straight. She's got to straighten that one and hurry up. Let's request the ball to cooperate. She hits the backhander. It's in the tries to do the trick. Diamond checks his pony, her pony, but the horse doesn't support. They're fighting for that one. The ball's been struck away. Who do we have there? Is it Sanjula coming in? Yes, it's going to be Dr. Look at Dr. Shivangi. She takes the player out. It's going to be Diamond with the ball. Checks the pony. Diamond's going to back it. Diamond saves the day there. Sanjula breaks free again. Sanjula had a special diplomatic agreement with this ball. Playing so well, just like Diamond there. And Dr. Shivangi picks it up. The ball's anybody's. The ball goes to Jason. He doesn't have anything to do with that. He's just there to maintain the discipline and integrity of the match. The ball's anybody's. It is Dr. Shivangi there. She leaves it behind a lot of traffic jam. And His Highness Maharaja Jaipur, the visionary Maharaja, he's going to begin a race, but he's going to let his forwards move forward. He watches, hammers it, straightens it into the middle of the ground. Who do we have there? Sanjula is going to hurry up. Sanjula and Dr. Shivangi. Sanjula picks it up. Ooh, she dodges that hook, but she doesn't get the ball. Diamond straightens that one, takes it to the ball. It's going to be Sanjula. She's gone to a little trip round the circle, comes on to the ball. Keeps it with herself, leaves it behind Dr. Shivangi, comes in. Ooh, she decides to leave it, give the ball a little break, and it's going to be Lance Watson. The ball's anybody's. Who do we have there? This is Millie with the ball now. Lance Watson waits, asks Millie to move forward, passes it on to Millie. Millie will make no mistake there. And the added. Oh, there was a whistle. There was a whistle, ladies and gentlemen. It's very interesting. Horses.
Diamond strikes well, 30-yard penalty. And that's, beg your pardon, Dr. Shivangi. And we recently been to Manipur. Manipur was the place where polo was found and got all over the world. Ball in play, it is Urvi. Urvi, Lavanya, Sanjula. Sanjula picks it, clears it first time. Shivangi watching over very close against Diamond. Millie, HH. He leaves it for Sanjula. Sanjula on promoting, it was deflected to the horse at HH Jaipur. Jaipur, he promotes, tries to promote it, he's back on the ball. Jaipur looking up, he's got Sanjula and Urvi. Good pass there. Diamond defending for the Greens. Sanjula Man. Sanjula Man. Mr. Jason Dixon, Mr. Howard Smith, they are the two professional umpires with us for the Jaipur season 2026 ball in play. Urvi. Urvi heading to the ball. Sanjula decides to pick it up, just making a run. Being marked there, very close. Sanjula Man. Diamond is there, marking her very close. Sanjula makes a turn. Lavanya. Shivangi. Dr. Shivangi Jai Singh. Sanjula. Sanjula. They're working very, very hard for the Pinks. PDKF, USPF Pink team. Diamond on the back, defending. Sanjula. Back on the ball. Shivangi. And goal number 2. Sanjula Man. Afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Prinsipia Kumari Jaipur, ball in play. We are back to game. Chapter number 3. 3 is to 2 is the score reading. And it is Sanjula. Sanjula Man. Lance Watson. Lance is Dilip Vanna's favourite. A very, very smart player from South Africa. He promotes the ball onto his forward, an excellent pass there. And who do we have? We have Shivangi Jai Singh. By profession, a doctor, but her passion and love is polo, horse polo. Doing a good job. It is Diamond backing it up. It is Diamond. Takes a long shot. What a goal. That is a neat piece of play. Diamond. Ball in play. Lance picking the ball. Sanjula on the near side. Lance. He's got his forwards going up front. Decides to release the ball. Excellent pass on to Shivangi Jaisingh. Shivangi. She's being watched carefully by Lavanya. Diamond. Sanjula. Back on the ball. Sanjula Man. Strikes it first time. It is Shivangi. Also working hard. Takes it off. Tries for a back. Couldn't connect very well. It is Millie on a back. Millie. Shivangi claiming the line. Takes under the belly shot. She's being marked there by Sanjula. Shivangi takes a good crack towards the goal and the ball rolls out of play over the back line. He believes this is H.H. Jaipur, so Vaikuntha Singhi taking that hit in from the Narkadin. First tap, he'll promote it onto his forwards. Forwards going up front. Sanjula, Urvi and that was a strike, but hey, Millie, that was on the back. It's like a knee sting. You get it? That was unintentional, obviously. Urvi gets a good pass. Urvi being watched there very close. Shivangi, Sanjula back on the ball. Sanjula for the Kings. Sanjula Man takes a good long shot. She's being supported there by Lavanya and Urvi. Playing for the Kings along with H.F. Jaipur. So I could not see Urvi trying to pick the ball, unable to do so. It is Diamond and backed up by Shivangi. Shivangi Jaisingh. Diamond working hard, picking up that ball, missing it on the bounce. Sanjula decides to turn. Deflected off. Diamond promotes it on to Shivangi. It is Sanjula, a clever move that was on the near side. She takes it and long tap and the ball goes out of play. So that's going to be on safety. This is Diamond. Lance. A good gentleman, he tees up the ball for the young lady. Diamond prepares to strike for the Greens. And good strike there by Diamond and a goal. Otherwise, I would have.
Marwadi kehve gud ne goal vejave gudte goal vehi gyo. That was a lovely goal. Thank you very much, Hari Singh Saab.
Series homeware retail brand was established by Princess Gauri Kumari and the French designer Claire Dero. Back to the fourth and final chakra.
Who do we have there? This is Diamond, smashes it away. Diamond's going to pick it away. Sanjula comes in. Diamond picks it up. Diamond keeps it with herself. The ball's confused. Dr. Shivangi hammers it. And as usual, thank you very much. I will not ask you any more questions if you clap a little louder. You didn't like my questions, huh? Thank you. Thank you very much. Who do we have there? Dr. Shivangi breaks free. Put your hands together. She's totally unmarked there. She's got to straighten that, but she managed to keep it. She's going to check up on it. She leaves it behind. Sanjula picks it up. Sanjula's going to go around the houses. Sanjula with the ball now. Turns it, taps it, nurses it well. Sanjula with the ball now. Diamond, Sanjula watching that one. Dr. Shivangi. Sanjula plays well with this ball. Sanjula and Shivangi. Comes in. Diamond breaks free. She makes the most of that gap. Picks it up, taps it, the ball's anybody's. Urvi and Sanjula. Sanjula makes no mistake but leaves it behind. It's going to be Millie with the ball. She's going to take it on the near side. Oh, she's going to hit a backhander. She's going to hit it forward. Gives it to Urvi. Shivangi, Dr. Shivangi. Shivangi takes it on the near side. Sanjula taps it, turns it. Somebody's going to mark Sanjula. Sanjula's totally unmarked there. Put your hands together. This is going to be a race. The ground this time doesn't cooperate. The ball dribbles away. This is Urvi with the ball now. Urvi, nice and easy. Little bit of a traffic. If you clap, we'll get a green light there and everybody moving forward. Who do we have there? Sanjula with the ball now. Sanjula dribbling it, playing hide and seek. This is going to be chess on horseback. Strategy, tacticians here. Lance Watson looks back. The ball is ahead. He waits. He's going to hit a backhander. He hits it, connects it. Fairly okay. Gives it a little flirtatious tap. But who do we have? Sanjula with a backhand on a grey pony. And everybody leaves. Urvi. Lavanya. Urvi now with the ball. Sanjula means business, swings that stick mercilessly, then leaves it behind. It's going to be Millie. Millie hits a backhander. Millie. This is Diamond now. Put your hands together. Jason gets away. And Diamond picks it up. She leaves it behind. If you clap, you may have a little more. There we have Sanjula with the ball now. Sanjula taps it, moves around. Sanjula begins the race. Dr. Shivangi watching her. Comes in Diamond. Look at that lovely play there by Diamond. Diamond riding her off right in front of us. Put your hands together. She leaves the ball. She backs it. Sanjula makes no mistake. Patience pays here in this case. She keeps the ball. Dr. Shivangi rides her off. And it is Lance Watson. Dr. Shivangi now, Dr. Shivangi, totally unmarked. Dr. Shivangi comes in, Sanjula to mark her. Dr. Shivangi breaks free. This is stick and ball time for her. She's going to score at will. She straightens this one. Put your hands together before, or you'll have to clap after the goal. This ball just doesn't understand what meeting expectations is. I tell you, if it was my employer, I'd fire her for not listening. Maharaja Savai Padmanabh Singh Ji, His Highness Maharaja Savai Padmanabh Singh of Jaipur picks the ball, takes it, taps it, gets it in. Look at the players moving forward. Oh, it's going to be half time. It is half time.
In organizing that, I request for a round of applause for. And it is Ajay Jaipur takes a long hit in. And we have Urvi getting to the balls. Also Shivangi Jaising, Shivangi and Urvi. Shivangi gets the better, goes in for a back. It is Lavanya. HH asking, leave the line, go up front. It is HH Jaipur promoting the ball onto his forwards. It is Sanjula, Urvi and Lavanya. An excellent strike there. She is Sanjula marked there by Shivangi Jaising. Shivangi playing an excellent game here this afternoon. Doing a good job. Is backed up, supported by Diamond. She's turning that game around. Along the board, misses the ball on the bounce. Sanjula Man gets on the ball. Clock taking fourth and final chopper. It's 2-5. The score reading. Sanjula working hard, doing a good job, going hell for leather, in for that kill. It is Sanjula Man. Lance Watson defending for the Greens. Urvi doesn't get an opportunity. Lance Watson looks up and he goes for a good long strike. Excellent pass from Shivangi Jaising. Sanjula trying to pick it on the near side. Shivangi. Millie picks the ball for the Greens. It is Millie. Sheth coming in from Gujarat. Millie. Shivangi. And H.H. Jaipur. Savai Padmanabh Singh of Jaipur promotes the ball out to Lavanya. Lavanya stands a good chance to score. It is Lavanya. Fourth and final chopper. We have Diamond. Diamond getting onto the ball, defending for the Greens. And Lavanya was there claiming but went unhurt. It is Shivangi Jaising. Sanjula Man. Sanjula turning it around, getting the better of Diamond. She doesn't seem to be giving it up. She is there fighting very hard for the Pinks, the USPA. Ladies Pink. It is Lavanya. Takes a good strike. Excellent pass. Sanjula stands a good chance to score. She's got Diamond watching over very carefully. Lavanya and goal. Goal number 3.
Nodding his head, acknowledging that. The ball's in play. Millie with the ball. Millie, oh look at that lovely shot by Millie. Who has the ball? It's going to be Sanjula playing at number 2. Sanjula taps it, takes it away. Sanjula with the ball now. She's playing. Look at that. Ladies and gentlemen, it's always good for a horse to keep moving. Horses don't have collarbones, so it's very difficult for them to stand and take the weight. It's pure muscle. Let's see that pure muscle in the last 9 seconds of this chakra. Somebody's got to break free. Comes in Dr. Shivangi. Sanjula. And that's the chakra, and that's Riya Kumari Foundation USPA Ladies Polo Cup 2026 exhibit at the prestigious Rajasthan Polo Club, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much for being patient listeners. We request you to be seated for the award ceremony. Please stay seated for the award ceremony. Gentlemen, for the wonderful work put in by the Princess Diya Kumari Foundation, the USPA Ladies Polo Cup 2026, ladies and gentlemen. आप लोग हमारा टीम का कौन था आप आज भी बजा लिया. Put your hands together. Let's encourage the ladies. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Let's have this drone move up a little higher. Thank you very much. Lovely. Well played. Yeah, well played. Again, very well played. She had a hat-trick to his name out of the 3 goals for the Winks. Well played, Sanjula. Next, I would request Ms. Urvi Singh. Urvi Singh. Urvi Singh ने भी अच्छा खेल खेला, खूब मार्किंग करी. Next, हमारी लवन्या शेखावत. Also making a good polo play, Lavanya, very well played. And having played back for the PDKF USPA Pink is H.H. Maharaja Swai Padmanath Singh of Jaipur. As a back, he was good support, supporting the team, promoting the ball to the forwards. Blessings from his loving mother, Mrs. Diya Kumari ji. And now I will call out for the winners for the PDKF USPA Green, Kumari Vijayashri Shaktawat, Diamond Baisa. Diamond Baisa. Played a brilliant game, Diamond. Also for the presentation ceremony, we are delighted to welcome Mrs. Gauri Kumari of Jaipur. Next, Dr. Shivangi Jai Singh. Shivangi also got 2 goals to her credit. Diamond had 3 goals to her credit. Well played, Shivangi. She's a doctor by profession, but polo is a passion and a love. I don't know how you find all the time. Next is Millie Seth. Millie Seth, she comes in from Gujarat. Millie, I hope your back is okay. You better apply some balm tonight. Game very well played. And played back for the Greens, PDKF USPA Green, Mr. Lance Watson. As my friend Karan Bana says, he just come in from South Africa. Well played, sir. He plays with SH Jaipur for the Jaipur team. Umpire. Mr. Jason Dixon, our official umpire coming from United Kingdom, experienced polo player, A-grade umpire. He keeps the game to its proper style. Thank you, sir. And the referee here this afternoon we have Mr. Rao Himmat Singh Ji Bedla. Rao Saab is also a great polo player. Rao Saab. For my co-commentator Dilip Karan Singh Ji. Dilip Bana, he keeps you all amused with all his share of shairi. Dilip Bana, he has a good control of the crowd. Job very well done, sir. All right. I would request once again
We have mementos from the PDKF store. So I would request Ms. Sanjula Man from the PDKF USPA Pink. Sanjula, where is Sanjula? Sanjula, Urvi, Lavanya and H.H. Mahaswai Padma Singh Jaipur, please, for the mementos from the PDKF store. Sanjula Man. Mrs. Gauri Kumari is doing the honors to present to the players who will be singing Lavanya Shekhawat. And play back for the PDKF USPA Pink, H.H. Mahaswai Padma Singh Jaipur. Presented by Gauri Baisa, his sister. For the winners, the Greens, calling upon Diamond Baisa, Vijay Shekhawat, Diamond, Shivangi Jai Singh, Millie Seth, and Mr. Lance Watson. These are mementos from the PDKF store. And I can see the US Polo Association also contributing to this game, USPA Princess Dia Kumari Foundation Ladies Polo 2026. Diamond. Shivangi Jai Singh, Dr. Shivangi Jai Singh. Next, Millie Seth. Millie. Hampers from PDKF store and the US Polo Association. And Mr. Lance Watson. Thank you for giving the girls an opportunity, Lance, to taking those penalty shots. You are, as it is, a professional polo player. That's a good way to promote them, to let them learn, get the confidence. All right, the winners to please come and receive this lovely trophy. The PDKF Green, USPA PDKF Green, Diamond, Shivangi, Millicent and Mr. Lance Watson. The winners of the USPA Princess Dia Kumari Foundation Ladies Polo 2026. As Vijeta Ray, PDKF USPA Green. शानदार खेल का प्रदर्शन 5-3 का स्कोर रहा था.
Please put your hands together, ladies and gentlemen. All those who can hear me and consider me to be your very own, thank you very much. This is the Princess Dia Foundation USPA Exhibition Polo Match winner. And thank you very much for being a fantastic co-commentator, facilitating the match, ladies and gentlemen. The PDKF artisans.
Big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. All these ladies, they are all participants, part and parcel of the PDKF. They are all the hard-working ones who make the products all by hand. US Polo Association, Mr. Vivek Bali. Momento presented by Princess Dia Kumari ji, Jaipur, requesting Ms. Diya Kumari ji honoring daughter Gauri Kumari also, who is now also looking after PDKF operations, not only India but worldwide.